What is a mole? Well, the mole is our answer to the problem of there are so many particles in something that is big enough for us to see. So, for example, let's say that we are in a chemistry lab and we measure out 10 grams of carbon. Um, in order to, we're not going to go and we're not going to count every single molecule that is in that 10 grams of carbon. It would just take too long. There's way too many molecules. So our answer to that is a mole. So a long time ago, this really great guy named Avogadro decided that 6.02 times 10 to the 23 is going to equal 1 mole. And the reason I didn't specify specific units is that 6.02 times 10 to the 23 can be of anything. So 1 mole of this taco is 6.02 times 10 to the 23 of these tacos. But you can see that this is a problem at the macroscopic scale because 1 mole of these tacos is so many of these tacos it would take up this entire room and more. So that's why we usually use it at the atomic level, because 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms of carbon, for example, isn't so many atoms of carbon that it's going to fill up this room. It's going to be an amount that is okay to deal with. So the mole and Avogadro's number are a really great way to differentiate and between atoms on the periodic table. So for example, we know that 1 mole or 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms of hydrogen are going to weigh a lot less than 6.02 times 10 to the 23 or 1 mole of oxygen. And the reason for that is because we know that it's the same amount of particles, but hydrogen atoms only contain 1 proton and 1 electron, while oxygen atoms contain many protons and electrons and neutrons. So I hope that taught you a little bit about the mole, and subscribe for more content.